So these are our dig and no dig, or till and no till beds. So this one here is tilled or shoveled this year, and the other one is not. So we planted all the same plants and kind of almost in the same locations, as you can see. So it's going to be the same number of plants, the same, I'm not sure if we have the same varieties of peppers, for example, but they were all grown together. So we're going to be comparing how it works. And it's mulched with coffee bags, and we're going to mulch just about everything, and to retain moisture. So we're going to add more bags here to cover the soil. But today I wanted to make the Jadam plant fertilizer. So what I've done basically is I collected all the plants, weeds and stuff that are around. It's supposed to be like in the local area, so as local as you can get. And we have quite a bit here on the farm. So, but I just went around the farm and collected some leaf mold. So I'm gonna put that. You don't need a lot, and all the weeds I could get. So most of you will recognize these. They're considered weeds, but some of them are also medicinal. And I basically just put all of that into this bucket. I don't have it. If I'd cut it, it would have been better. But I don't have anything to cut it with. So I basically weeded this bed and put all of these weeds in there. So this is very abundant and invasive here at the farm. So I put some of this and this and many other plants that seem to be invasive here. So all of that goes in, and it's best if you collect everything at once and put it in here and let it kind of dissolve, which takes months. It may be shorter here, but because it's gonna be on the sun mostly, and hopefully dissolve pretty quickly. And so we have the leaf mold, we have the plants, and all we need to do now is put some water in and let it sit. So we're going to be adding more buckets, but this is the first one, and it's going to be used as a fertilizer. So we're going to just fill this, and while that's filling, I'll just real quick say here what has been done so far. So we have a couple of tomato plants and peppers, and then a couple of squashes here. So the same in this bed, a couple of squashes, 2 tomato plants, and the rest are peppers. So I'll probably try to put a few more plants here and there, but for now this is it. So again, it's all the same plants on each side so that we can compare. Okay, well, the water level. Maybe it's even too much because we need to leave some space. So once this starts basically fermenting, really, it's gonna give off these gases that need to escape. So we've been lucky enough that Richard donated these wine buckets that already have a little vent. So I'm gonna close this very well, and I'll still be checking it whenever I come over here, but those gases should be able, hopefully, to escape through this.